guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Mahima and this is going to be my another vlog. Yo vlog ma chai I am making Nepali cuisine food for all my friends and one of my roommate. Okay, so let me start from some background. Kinabhane these days I had my exams and because of exams we were all depressed. Also so many things happening in my life. So I found out that my therapy is cooking for my friends. So I wanted to cook Nepali food because my friends have not experienced what Nepali food is. But I'm not the best chef to do it. But I'm trying my best. And let me show you the progress अहिलेसम्म. So this is आलुको अचार. अनि यो चाहिँ टमाटरको अचार, यो चाहिँ गुन्द्रुकको अचार. जुन गुन्द्रुक जस्तो स्वाद छैन. So I'm very disappointed in this. But anyway, अनि यो चाहिँ बाराको पेस्ट. म भोलि बिहान बारा बनाउने सोचिरहेको छु. अनि यो चाहिँ मोमो हो, चिकन मोमो भन्दा पनि भयो. अनि यो थकाली दाल. I have so many things to cook. मैले चाहिँ यो लाफिङको लागि पनि यो भित्रको त्यो फिलिङ हुन्छ नि ग्लुटेनको आई थिङ्क ग्लुटेन भन्छ कि के भन्छ त्यो पनि बनाएँ. अनि त्यो बाहिरको लेयर बनाउन खोजेको त्यो चाहिँ बनेन मबाट. अनि मैले आलु गोबी पनि बनाउँछु. अरू के बनाउँछु म चिकन बनाउँदैछु. अनि मैले गाजरको हलुवा बनाइसकेँ. आई एम एटेम्प्टिङ टु मेक योमरी टुमोरो एन्ड द्याट वुड बी अ फन एक्सपिरियन्स. अनि त्यति नै हो. आई होप आई क्यान टेक यु गाइज विथ मी बिकज मेरो मेमोरी छैन कि अनि त्यही भएर आई कुडन्ट फिल. बट लेट मी सो यु हाउ इट्स वाट्स ह्यापनिङ इन द ब्याकग्राउन्ड. Okay, so the kitchen is cleaned. अहिले 10 बजे भएको छ. And I have all the food here. अनि फ्रिजमा पनि छ some food. अब बाँकीको चाहिँ म भोलि पकाउँछु न. Good night. See you tomorrow. Morning! I'm back to the kitchen and I got ready. So I got ready to host my friends. कुर्ता लगाएँ अनि यो लगाएँ मामुहरूले जस्तो. Just like my mom, and then I'm ready to host. Now I have to make bara and some chukoni, like little stuff, but my friends will be arriving anytime. So let's get started. My friend Yazi is here, so let's go receive her. Welcome! Try first. We are making our friend try birenun. Birenun is black salt. Little bit.
It's not bitter.
Smells like fart.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, but it smells like farts.
It smells like fart.
Yeah.
Let's see. Because Nepali food is all oil.
The spices.
Tomorrow, I'll answer that tomorrow.
Liza is making drinks for us. Mimosas. It's a cooking drink. That means the drink we drink when we are cooking. Not the drink that is used for cooking. Okay.
That's really fun.
Smell the salt and tell us.
It smells like fart. It's good for your stomach.
I don't want to eat that.
Make her smell.
Thank you so much. I don't want to eat it.
She can't smell anything. Welcome, welcome. How are you? How are you?
Saw me on the streets, picking me in comments. No. Today gave directions to go. I'm Italian.
Okay, so this is like a plate from all over Nepal. The Tibetan Nepali food. And this is, you can have it. It's his ethnicity as well, and I think all over Nepal. This is called chukoni. It's made of yogurt. And yogurt, but not sweet yogurt. It's like salty, spicy yogurt, but I didn't add spice. And this momo, everybody knows. And this is also especially from his ethnicity. And this is something we eat a lot.
We got the best food.
So this is like a plate from everywhere, from top, like north to south, east to west.
From the hillside slash From the mountains to the plains.
Yeah, cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers. Can I do this? Is this a legal move? You can do it. I guess to try to take a come back.
Mommy cooks for me.
Like there would just be chili like that, and we'd be like, alright, let's go. And then like every day we would just eat it, and like you just like
No, I'm just asking you to taste like it.
so like you knew that you were gonna be
Or you
like,
copy
Like
or something.
the experience in laughing on.
yeah, like
Did you like chukoni? It's your first time eating that, right?
Good, yeah.
No, be honest.
Yeah. I thought it would be sweet because it looks like sweet. But
This one, you never tried this one because it's not
Never
really
tried
from
it.
this place.
I don't even have the legs.
We decided to go to watch sunset.
What's the baby chip? Walked out of the fridge. The babies, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part.
I love the Olympics mascots.
Okay. Didn't follow the rules anyway.
Outrun you. I literally became not scared of anyone.
I can't record. Oh, someone is making fun of my Nepali. It's so pretty.
It's the first time Cookie's hanging out with us.
Yeah, I used one as well. Everyone, you one, I used one. Yeah, our group.
I don't have to be Ayush.
Suppose the banker gets the bank. Yeah.
Who's better? You're not feeling it? Where's the alcohol?
You want me to make it alcohol?
Now you do first round thing.
So I just.
Yep.
Whatever. I don't understand how the betting works, so I'm betting for 3.
Oh.
Wow.
Because I don't care. He said that's just
Oh, look who's pulling here.
It's either straight for the slump or I'm going to
The yellow.
It's like a fish tail.
It's a seagull.
No, don't touch it.
Oh, why is that a seagull? Don't touch it. Stop touching it.
We in our odd birthdays until 13, we wear a garden of it. No.
Yeah,
The cooked one,
that's how we
eat
know
it.
it's from Eliza.
Oh.
On all odd birthdays.
On birthday.
Like
I'm
1,
vlogging.
3, 5.
Yomori failed. It looked okay when I put it here, but now it's not okay anymore. Go, go, go!
What if you get remade?
Whoa!
Like, look at the young George
Hit more! I think it needs more hit. Oh!
Ruining it, Ayush.
it's your fault.
Oh my god, it's gonna taste amazing.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay.
Even my yomori failed. I think mine failed more than you. Mine became like
I don't
flat.
think any of those failed.
Fish corner and Chili's anniversary. That anniversary, Chester Bennington from Linkin Park Hills.
Wow. How poetic.
Did that.
How? Why?
Like to see Yagi going for second third.
How do you know?
Eyesight is not visible.
And that part,
Do a bye-bye and a high shot for you. Just for yours. I managed only to take yours. And then you went like this. Do you want to do it again?
I don't think that you're wrong.
Bye, thank you for coming.
Bye, Kara.
Kiara. For the video.
The color, I chose. Come on, please.
Oh, yes, yes,
Yeah, Shuge, who does this first? It's you here.
Hey!
They were so excited. We had to pay 1,000 Nepal rupees to get here. Because we're tourists. I think you'll be fine.
Yeah, I think you look Nepali enough.
Yeah, you're too white.
I love this one. It's
Even the black and white one.
yeah. Just a week ago. This is yours. Oh my god.
And dip. I know you guys don't know. Just straight on. Okay? This is yeah. This one and dip.
Guys. Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you? Okay. Bye. Thank you for coming, guys. Good night. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. It was really good time. I couldn't film the outro, so that's why I'm filming it today. Whenever I was small, when my parents used to call their friends and family home to like eat and have a dinner together, lunch together, I used to be like, oh my god, why are you calling so many people? It's so much work. But now that I am in this age, calling my friends over, cooking for them, like trying to cook new things is kind of like a therapy for me, and it worked out really well, and I hope my friends also had a good time. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, like, comment and subscribe in this video if you liked it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.